Welcome to our onboarding video. Today we are exploring why our digital pedagogy is essential for modern teaching. As educators, you face the challenge of refining your teaching and to meet the evolving expectations of your students, who are digital natives. They grow up surrounded by technology and are naturally adept with digital tools. New technologies are constantly emerging, and your students are eager to integrate these into their learning. Meanwhile, many teachers, often digital immigrants, find themselves at varying levels of comfort with these tools. Parents and employers also expect our education system to produce students who are technologically fluent. Students who can adapt to a variety of digital contexts and demonstrate behaviors and knowledge for using emerging technologies. It is important to remember that having technological skills alone isn't the ultimate measure of effective digital pedagogy. Instead, digital pedagogy is about attitude and aptitude. It's your willingness and ability to integrate technology effectively in your teaching. If you're a teacher eager to use new technologies effectively and achieve positive learning outcomes, a digital pedagogy will equip you with the tools and strategies needed to incorporate these technologies successfully in your classroom. By embracing digital pedagogy, you're not just keeping up with advancements, you're preparing your students for the future. Start your journey with us today and transform your teaching practice now.